Easy guided install. Neutral wire is required, standard wall plate size. No need to understand complex switch, wiring or master versus auxiliary switch configurations. The Kasa app guides you through easy step-by-step installation. For non-dimmable lights, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection required. Three-way or single pole. Using it as three-way or single pole switch to control the light from one or two locations to replace your traditional three-way switch. Best for top and bottom of a staircase or from house to garage, etc. Control from anywhere. Voice control. Monitor your light status. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office or on vacation. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling the lights in your home with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Scheduling. Use timer or countdown schedules to set your smart switch to automatically turn on and off while you're home or away. Enable away mode, to randomly switch on and off to trick potential intruders. Trusted and reliable. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, Kasa is trusted by over 4 million users. UL certified for safety use. Top reviews from the United States. Install only one smart switch at the three-way outlet that has the white neutral wire, as described by the excellent instructions provided by TP-Link. Then, whether the manual three-way switch is in one pole direction or the other, e.g., up or down position, it makes no difference for normal operation of the smart switch. Everything works as you would expect from either the smart switch or the manual switch, whether on or off at either end of the three-way switches. It makes no sense to install two smart switches on a circuit that has a white neutral wire in at least one of the electrical boxes because it would be a waste of money. You also want to check that there is a strong Wi-Fi signal at the three-way outlet where you will install the smart switch. I had a white neutral wire at one of my outlets and installed the smart switch at the outlet that had the white neutral wire, and the smart switch works flawlessly along with the Kasa app. Great product and highly recommended.